In this video, you learn how to use different CLT joints. First, hide all the walls in 3D model to see only the horizontal structures. Select Modeling tab, Joint, and Connection Details. Open the Notch folder and the CLT folder. Note that these joints work properly only with CLT elements. First, select Notch Sheet. In the dialog, you can define the notch parameters. Because the dialog is same for vertical and horizontal structures, there is upper/outer surface selection in the dialog. Now, for horizontal structure, select upper surface and change the notch width to 100 mm. Select a sheet and point the handle of that edge where you want the notch to be. Now there is a 100 × 50 notch. If you want to delete the notch, select the sheet and Delete Feature. Now all the features of the sheet are shown as green balls. Point that feature's ball that you want to remove. Next, add a notch of certain length. Type the same notch parameters as before, but unselect full length. After that, select the sheet and the handle of the edge. Point the starting and ending points of the notch. Now the notch is created only between the points you selected. A notched butt joint was automatically created between the panels, but let's see how you can make it manually. Select Connection Details and Notched Butt Joint. Add the joint to upper surface and its width can be, for example, 50 mm. If you type 0 to depth field, it means half of the sheet's length. Change the gap between sheets to 5 mm. Point the sheet and select its edge. After this, select a sheet next to it and point its edge. The joint is added between these sheets. Let's add a hole to the sheet. Type 200 mm as its diameter, select the sheet and point the hole's place. By default, the hole is added through the sheet. You can change its depth by selecting the sheet which contains the hole and selecting Edit Feature. Point the green ball of the hole and edit its depth in the dialog. The same tools are available for CLT walls as well. You can add, for example, a bevel to the outer surface of the front wall.